In case if you have misplaced your iPhone somewhere in your home and if it is in silent mode, then let us see how to find it. For that one, we are going to use a site called iCloud.com. You need to log into the iCloud using your Apple ID. Next, put the password. Next, you need to remember that you should also have logged into your iCloud account in your iPhone, otherwise you cannot use this function. Now once you are logged into your iCloud, select find iPhone and then it will locate the iPhone. This is the area where my iPhone is located. This is my home, so I'll click here and I'll select my iPhone, and then there is an option here called play sound. When I click this option play sound, then sound will play in my iPhone wherever it is located and even if it is in silent mode. So then you will be able to locate where your iPhone is. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.